Welcome back, HA scientists. Today we are starting our new unit called What's Up with Gravity. In this unit, we're going to be looking at what is gravity. We're going to be trying to find out, is gravity the same everywhere? Can you change gravity? And looking especially at gravity in space versus gravity here on Earth. It seems to be different, is it? Or does it just look that way? So those are things that we're going to be investigating with this unit. Let's look at our first lesson and see what we'll be doing. Our first lesson is looking at a phenomenon. So we're going to look at what life is like on the International Space Station. And when you click on this video over here, you're going to hear from an astronaut who's on the International Space Station. She's going to tell you what it's like to do ordinary activities that we do here on Earth each day, but in a place where gravity behaves a little bit differently. So, for example, what do you do when you brush your teeth? Can you just spit out your toothpaste? Well, if you do, it won't go down, right? Because gravity pulls our spit down to the sink. And then that brings up the question, what about pooping and peeing in space? How do you do that? As well as sleeping and many other things. So watch this video and find out what life is like where gravity seems to be a little bit different. Then over here for the assessment part of this lesson, I want you to click on the form A Day Without Gravity. And again, I have the same video there, so you can watch it again if you need to. And I have some questions. The questions are write 3 or more sentences to explain how gravity is a good thing to have while living on Earth. Hopefully when you watch this video, it made you thankful for gravity. But there are also some bad things that go along with having gravity always pulling us down. So tell me some things here that are bad about having gravity on Earth. Then, if all the gravity force on Earth vanished today, how would your day be different? So think through that. I'm going to think through what would life be like without gravity on Earth. And what do you think? Do astronauts not feel gravity in space like we do on Earth? So this is a what do you think question. I want you to give me your opinion one way or the other, and if you can explain it, you'll get all the points there. And then at the end, as always, tell me anything you want me to know about that's going on with you. I'm always glad to hear it. Alright, let's go back to the presentation. On day 2, we are going to be trying to find out, why does gravity do things like the way it does things? So it says the question is, why is there no gravity in space? Think back to the first day's NASA video. Have you ever wondered why there's gravity on Earth but there doesn't seem to be any in space? What is going on? Can gravity forces change? So that's our question that we're going to be looking at. Can they change? So over here, click on the Wonderopolis article that we're familiar with now, going to. This website should be very familiar now. There's our title, Why is there no gravity in space? Over here you can listen to the article as they read it to you. There's some videos of astronauts in space, moving around in space, and some pictures for you to see. This is a short article, and read it carefully because I think the title can be deceiving. Why is there no gravity in space? Read carefully and you might find a different answer in this article. And then down here at the bottom, I thought this was fun too. There's some experiments you could try at home if you are daring and want to see more things about gravity. So check those out. Going back to our presentation. So day 2, you've read the article. Now you're ready to answer the questions on the form. So here we go. Same type of format here. I'm asking you questions from the reading. So if you get stumped on any of these, please go back to the Wonderopolis and answer those, find the answers in there. All of the answers come from there. And then at the bottom, tell me how everything's going, if there's anything else you want me to know about. Alright, well, until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.